Take your facial cleansing routine to a whole new level with Prox by Olay Exfoliating Renewal Cleanser that provides proven results every day. The Prox by Olay Exfoliating Facial Cleanser gently exfoliates while cleansing to renew your skin's texture for a refreshed, smooth feel. The cleansing formula gently primes skin for miniaturization. Try the Exfoliating Renewal Cleanser with the Prox by Olay Advanced Cleansing System, not included, and let the professional power of Prox go to work. Make Prox by Olay Exfoliating Renewal Cleanser part of your daily regimen. Exfoliating Facial Cleanser provides gentle exfoliation while cleansing for a refreshed, smooth feel. Lathering formula exfoliates dull surface cells and primes skin for hydration. Professionally formulated for daily use with the Prox by Olay Advanced Cleansing System, not included, fragrance-free formula. Phthalate-free, paraben-free, dye-free. Professionally designed by the Global Derm Alliance. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.